Today, I want to talk about a very famous statue in the United States. This statue is on an island and it was a gift. Hello everyone, welcome back to English on Autopilot. Today we are talking about the Statue of Liberty. Liberty is another way to say freedom, where you are able to do what you want. You have the liberty to do it, to do what you want to do. The Statue of Liberty is in New York. It is on an island in the water. It is on an island. The Statue of Liberty is very, very big. It is very tall. The Statue of Liberty is 96 meters tall. Very, very tall. The Statue of Liberty, on her head, wears a crown. Her dress is very long. In one arm, she is holding a book to read. And in the other, she has a torch. The Statue of Liberty is very famous. When you think of the Statue of Liberty, you think of the United States. And when you think of the United States, a lot of people think of the Statue of Liberty. But did you know that the Statue of Liberty was a gift? It was like a present. It was like a present to the United States. The country of France they gave the Statue of Liberty to the United States in 1886. A long time ago. They gave the statue to the United States to show that the two countries, France and the United States, that they were friends, that they would work together and help each other. If the United States needed something, France would give it to them, and vice versa. If France needed something, the United States would give them something. Why is the Statue of Liberty so important? Because years ago, in the past, people came to the United States from Europe. They traveled across the Atlantic Ocean to live in the United States. And they traveled by boat. They would come from Europe and land in New York. And the first thing they saw would be the Statue of Liberty. And her torch is a light. You can see it even at night. And the people would say, "We made it, yes." And the Statue of Liberty would say, "Welcome, you are in the United States." Well, she doesn't speak. She is a statue. She does not move, but it's what she represents. It's the idea of the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is a symbol of immigration, of people moving from their home country to the United States to achieve the American dream, which means if you work hard every day, you can achieve your dreams. If you want to buy a house, if you work hard, you can, and have a family with kids and a dog. That's what she symbolizes. It was a big symbol of immigration. It was a new beginning in a new country. Today, millions of people visit Liberty Island. Liberty Island to see the Statue of Liberty and to take photos. Of course. The Statue of Liberty is very famous, and people take photos of her. They travel by boat to Liberty Island just to see. And you can go up. You can go up and stand where her crown is. You can stand up there. It's a good view of New York City. So, remember, the Statue of Liberty is not just a statue. It's a symbol of hope and freedom and a new beginning and a chance to have a better life and to give a better life to kids. Have you seen the Statue of Liberty? Would you like to? I haven't. Put it in the comments below if you have or haven't seen the statue. And we will see each other in the next video. Bye.